Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. This questions look simple, but it hides a smart trick. You have not solved it before. No preparation at all. You are watching Real Thinking in Real Time on Math Solver 1117. Let's crack it together. Today's Olympiad math problem is b plus 1 whole power 4 plus b plus 5 whole power 4 equals 32. You have to find the value of b. So we will solve this as, first of all, make a supposition here that you can write b plus 3 minus 2, because 3 minus 2 is 1, plus b plus 3 plus 2 whole power 4 equals 32. Now make a supposition. Let t suppose equals b plus 3. So our equation will become t minus 2 whole power 4 plus t plus 2 whole power 4 equals 32. Now we will solve this further as it will become t minus 2 whole square and its square plus t plus 2 whole square and its square equals 32. Now we will solve this as, this is the value of a minus b whole square. So t square plus minus 2t plus 4 and its whole square plus t square plus 2t plus 4 whole square equals 32. Now how we will solve this? We have same things as t square plus 4 on the both the values. First is for t square plus 4 minus 4t, and we will arrange this as t square plus 4 minus 2t, and the next one is t square plus 4 plus 2t, and that equals 32. Now make another supposition. Let's suppose m equals t square plus 4 and n equals 2t. So our equation will become m minus n whole square and plus, here is plus is used, so m plus n whole square equals 32. Now again we will open the square here. So we get m square minus 2mn plus n square plus m squared plus n squared plus 2mn. So plus 2mn and that equals 32. Plus 2mn and minus 2mn both are cancelled out, and we have 2m square plus 2n squared equals 32. Now 2 is divided by 32 and we have m squared plus n squared equals 16. We have the value of m squared plus n squared equals 16. Now we will write the original value of m, that was t square plus 4 whole squared plus n squared mean 2t squared equals 16. Now we will open the squared. So we get t4 plus 8t squared plus 16, and this was 4t squared equals 16. So what will we get? We get t4 plus 16 plus 8t square, and this was 16t squared. So we have t4 plus, this will become plus 16 minus 16 are 0, and we have 4 into 2 will be 8t square, and this will be 2t means 4t square. So this was, when we open the square, this was 4t. That means we have n equals 4t. That's why when we take the square, this will be 16t square. So we will write this here. And this will become t4 plus 24. 16 plus 8 is 24t square equals 16 minus 16, that is 0. We can take t square as common from this, so t square plus 24 equals 0. We have two values of t equals 0 and the t square equals minus 24. That will be imaginary part. Then we will write this here, the value of t, that was b plus 3, and you have to find the value of b. That means at t square equals 0, you get the value of t, that is 0. So 0 equals b plus 3, that means b equals minus 3. For the other one, we have t square equals minus 24. That means t equals plus minus root 24 iota. And now we will make the factors of 24. We get for 6 are 24. Then 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. That means we have plus minus 2 iota root 6. This is the value of t. We have to find the value of b. That means b plus 3 equals plus minus 2 iota root 6. And the value of b will be minus 3 plus minus 2 iota root 6. So this is the value of b. So you can see that how we have solved the value of b. First is the real and the second one is imaginary. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.